Today we are going to start practice set 1.2 because yesterday we are completed practice set 1.1 and I hope that all of my students are understand it very well. So let me start practice set 1.2. So in practice set 1.2 we are seeing first problem. This is what is written on a screen. Just see. Complete the table, solve the simultaneous equation. So what they are said, with help of the table you want to solve the simultaneous equation. So which table is given to you? Just first they are given equation, that is x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4. So this equation we want to solve by graphical method. So we want to solve this by graphical method. For that purpose, first we want to make a table for each and every equation. So how many equations are there? So they are having the two equation. First equation is x plus y is equal to 3. So first we make a table of x plus y is equal to 3. So see, this is x plus y is equal to 3 and they are given x value is 3. Here is x value you want to find out, here is x value you want to find out. Then in this equation x value is given but y value is not given. So you want to find out the y value. So let we start. What is given? So given is x plus y is equal to 3. So in this equation the x value is given to you. So what is the x value? The x value is given 3. So here is x. So instead of x I write here value of x. So what is the value of x? So value of x is 3. So I write here x value 3. Are you understand how here is you get 3? Because the x value of the 3 is given. So I take here 3 plus y. So plus y is remain as it is equal to 3. Okay. So see, it is the plus 3. So this plus 3 go across, it become minus 3. So here is the y is remain as it is. This 3 is remain as it is. This is the plus 3. So this plus 3 go across minus. So 3 minus 3 what is remain? 0. So y is equal to 0. So first answer you are getting the y value, that y value is 0. So whatever be the value we are finding, that can be shown by red color. Are you understand how can you get y is equal to 0? It is very simple. First we write the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Then what can we do? Then we substitute the value of x. So value of x is given to you, whatever it may be, 3. So x value I write here 3 plus y is equal to 3. Is that clear? So variable y is remain as it is equal to 3 is remain as it is, plus 3. So plus 3 go across minus 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 3. So y is equal to 0. So in such a way we are finding first value. The second, x plus y is equal to 3. In this equation they are given value of y and you want to find out value of x. Okay. In table second fill in the blanks we want to find out. So equation is same, x plus y is equal to 3. So y value is given to you. So y value is given 5. So I write here the y value 5. And I want to find out value of x. So x is remain as it is, plus 5 go across minus 5. See, here is x is remain as it is, this 3 is remain as it is, this is the plus 5. So that plus 5 go across, it become minus 5. So 3 is positive, 5 is negative. Sign of both number are same? No, sign of both number are not same. So sign of both number are not same. So what can we do? We are subtract the equation. So 5 minus 3. So what is remain 5 minus 3? 2. So here is x is remain as it is, 3 minus 5. 3 is positive, 5 is negative. Sign is not same. Subtract 5 minus 3. What is remain? 2 minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Such a way we are finding second value in the fill in the blanks, that is x is equal to minus 2. Are you understand? Very simple. Y value is given 5. You have to find out x value. So this 5 is going across, it become minus. 3 is positive, 5 is negative. Sign is not same. Subtract 3 minus 5. What is remain? 2. Bigger number sign minus. So x is equal to minus 2. Then we want to find out third value. That is x plus y is equal to 3. This is the equation. And which value is given? Y value is given to you. So what is the y value given? Y value is given 3. What is the y value given? 3. Y value is given 3. plus y is equal to 3. In this equation, y value is given. So you want to find out third value, that is the x value. That is the third fill in the blanks, x you want to find out. So x is remain as it is, y value is 3 is equal to 3. So this is the plus 3 go across minus 3. So x is equal to what you get, just see. So here is this 3 is carry as it is, plus 3 go across minus 3. So 3 minus 3 0. So x is equal to 0. Such a way we are finding the values of which is required, that all value you are finding. See, here is x value is 3 1, y value is 0, put here. So in bracket, all of my students remember that in bracket first figure is always write x value and second figure is always write y value. So this is the x value 3, y value 0. Remember that in bracket first value is always x and second value is always y. Then here is y value is given 5. You want to find out x value. So you are finding that we are getting minus 2. So first x value is minus 2, y value 5. Here also the x value is y value is given to 3. You want to find out x value. So you are finding x value, that is 0. So in bracket first write x value. So here is write 0 and afterwards write y value. So here is 3. Such a way the first equation bracket is completed. First equation table is completed. Then we are going to second equation. So it is the second equation on a screen. See, this is the x minus y is equal to 4. This is the second equation. Do you understand what I say? It is the second equation. So x minus y is equal to 4. So here is also given table for this equation. Here x value is not given, y value is given. So you want to find out x value. Here is x value is given, y value is not given. You want to find out y value. And here is both values is given. So you have nothing to find out anything. So here you want to find out x, here you want to find out y. Let me start. So here is x minus y is equal to 4. So y value you see here is given 4. So substitute the value of y here 0. Y value is given 0. See, y value is 0 given. So x minus y is equal to 4. X value is not given. So x is remain as it is. Y minus sign remain as it is. Y value is given to you. See here is 0. So y is equal to 0. So here is instead of y I write here 0 is equal to 4. All of my students you know very well that 0 having no sign. So this x is remain as it is and 0 plus 4, 4 plus 0, here is 4 plus 0, you are getting 4. So x is equal to 4. So here is we write x value 4 here and your right answer 4 and 0. Is that clear? If anyone doubt, then see x minus y is equal to 4. So x is remain as it is because x value is not given. That you have to find out. Minus sign is remain as it is. Y. So y is remain as it is. Then y value is given to you 0. So I write y value here 0. So x minus y. So y is 0. So x minus 0. So here is remain x. X is equal to what? 4. Second one. So here is x minus y is equal to 4. Here is which value is given? Minus 1. So this is the value of x given minus 1. So here is the right x value minus 1. So I put value here x. X value is minus 1. Minus sign remain as it is. Y remain as it is equal to 4. So this is the minus 1 which is value of x and that is given. I am not taken, that is given to you. So x is equal to minus 1, that is right here x value minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. So minus 1 go across, it become plus 1. So see here. So this variable y, negative y is remain as it is. So variable minus y is remain as it is equal to this 4 remain as it is. Minus 1 go across plus 1. So 4 plus 1 what you get? 5. So minus y is equal to 5. But all of my students, you remember that variable never having negative sign. So all of students, you must be remember that the variable is never having negative sign. They are not a negative sign. So you are give this negative sign to number. So y is equal to you get minus 5. So here is y is equal to you get minus 5. Such a way here you get y is equal to minus 5. So you are substitute the value, all this, and our table is completed. See, y value is given to you 0. We are finding then x value 4. So in bracket first we write x value. So x value 4 is written in bracket first and then second 0. Here also -1 is given. So with help of equation you are finding y value, that is -5. So here is written -1 is x value. So it is written first and -5 is y value. So that is written second time. So -1 -5. Such a way the first problem in 1.2 is completed. I hope that all of my students are understand it very well, that how can we find out, how can we complete the table to solve the graphically or to solve the values. So here is solve the question number second is given. Solve the following simultaneous equation using graphical method. With help of graphical method you want to solve simultaneous equation. So here is first equation is given, x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. But first we find 4 solution for each equation and make a table. But in this problem they are given already a table completed given by them. So this is the x plus y is equal to 6. So x plus y is equal to 6, that x value is given 0, y value is given 6, that is they given. Or if they are not given, so remember my student, this value when there is a x plus y and is equal to 6 you want to find out, it is very simple to solve this. So how can we solve this? So you can put any one value. Suppose you are putting x value, then you are getting y value. But there is one of the questions in my mind, that when we are learn the graphical method up to 6th standard to 9th standard, then we are only use the 3 column 1, 2 and 3. We are not taken this 4th column. But in the 10th class we are using the 4 column here. So what's the reason for that, my student? The reason for that is when we are plot a graph, 1 or 2 points is away from the lines, so we cannot be plot a line. So there is a problem to plotting a line. So for that purpose, when you taken 4 points, I hope that instead of 4 points you get 2 points on a line and you can get graph equation very easily, or you can get graph very easily. So for that purpose we are, when you want to draw the graph, we are taking here 4 column. Up to 9th standard you are taken 1, 2 and 3 column, but in 10th standard you are increase this 1 column, means 4th column. The reason is when you plot a graph, there is the problem is that one point is coming, second point is not coming on a line, then it is not possible to draw the graph. So that problem is solved in the 10th standard, and so they are taken 4 points. So instead there is the 4 points, so from that 4 points 2 point is coming on a line and we can easily plot a graph. Are you understand, my student? Why have we taken 4 points? Yes. So how can you put the values of this? I will show a very simple way. Suppose you are thinking that x value you are right by your minds, x value you are right in your minds. All of my students remember that when these table values of x are suppose and y, what are with the x values and what are with the y values, you are put by your own minds. So you are take the number 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, but don't take number bigger 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the values of x, because when you are taken the values of x bigger, then your graph is become bigger and that is very dangerous for you. You cannot plot this graph very easily because that point is not remains on your graph paper. So all of my students, you must be remember that you are taken points from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or another way -1, -2, -3, -4. But you are don't take 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because if you are taken so bigger number, it is dangerous to you. Your graph is not possible on your graph paper. So remember the values when you are taken, that is from 0 to 4, that is plus or that is minus, that is depend on situation. Okay, so remember that, and that must be used when you solve the graph. So here is I take the values of x by my mind. So first I take values of x 0. So see, 6 minus 0, what is remain? Because x value I am taken 0. Okay, x value I am taken 0. When that 0 come out in when that 0 go across sides, then it is become minus. So 6 minus 0, what is remain? 6. So y value is 6. Then I am taken x value 2. So x value is 2. So this plus 2 go across become minus. 6 minus 2, what is remain? 4. So y value you are getting 4. Then I am taken x value 3. So here is I write x value 3. So plus 3. So that plus 3 go across minus. So 6 minus 3. What is remain? 3. So here is x value, y value you are getting 3. Then I am taken x value 4. So I write here x value 4. So this is 4 positive. When that go across negative, 6 minus 4. So y value 2. So here you can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Whatever you want. It is not compulsory to take which value I am taken. You can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Or you can take 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Whatever you want, that value you can take. Okay. So remember that these values is taken by your mind. So don't be take tension when you solve the graph. Okay. So such a way you are getting x value 0. So y value 6. Because 6 minus 0 you get 6. So 0, 6. Because x value is written first, then y value. Then here is x value 2. So 6 minus 2, what is the remain? 4. So y value 4. So 2 and 4. Then x value 3. So here is I write x value 3. Taken I am. So here is 6. 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, you are getting here 3. So 3, 3. Then x value I am taken 4. So here is x value I am taken 4. So 6 minus 4. So there is remain 2. So 4 and 2. Such a way. Then you get the here is the values 4 and 2. Then another equation which is x minus y is equal to 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. That table we are taken here. So here is x minus y is equal to 4. So here also you can take values by your minds. Okay. So we are taken value of x by our minds. I already explained you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not taken greater than 5 or 4. So here is x value first you are taken 0. So here is 0. So 4 minus 0, what is remain? 4. But y is negative sign. So I already explained in the last problem, variable never having negative sign. So minus y sign given to number 4. So it is minus 4. Then x is equal to 1. So here is the right x is equal to 1. So this plus 1 go across minus. 4 minus 1, what is remain? 3. But variable never having negative sign. So this negative sign going to 3. So you are getting minus 3. Are you understand? Then x value are taken 4. You can take any value. I already explained you can take any value of x. Then suppose I am taken 4. So x value I write here 4. So this plus 4 go across minus 4. So 4 minus 4 0. So y is equal minus y is equal to 0. So variable having never negative sign. So minus y sign minus sign is cancelled, only remain as y. But 0 having no sign, so we cannot give negative sign to 0. So here is 0 is remain as it is. Remember that 0 is never having positive or never having negative. So don't give here negative sign. It is a big mistake. Okay. So x is 4, y is 0. So here is 4 and 0. Then x value you are taken 5. So here is the right x value 5. 5 is positive, go across negative. 4 minus 5. What is remain? Minus 1. Because 4 is positive and minus 5. So sign is not same. 5 minus 4, what is remain? 1. Bigger number sign minus. So you get minus 1. So minus y is equal to minus 1. Variable never having negative sign. So minus sign going to minus 1. So y is equal to 1. Such a way you are completing this table that x minus y that table we are completing, and we want to plot the graph. So we are first taken x plus y is equal to 6. So x plus y is equal to 6. That table is hide here because on a screen we cannot show here the table. So I say you the value of table that x plus y is equal to 6. First value 0 and 6. So 0 on x-axis. So 0 on x-axis. So see, this is 0 and 6. So remember that where is number, there is plot a point. So first 0 and 6. So 0 is having on x-axis and 6 having on y-axis. So I am going, where is 6, just finding. So see, here is 6. So I plot point here. So that is 0 and 6 point. Are you understand? This is 0 and 6 point. Then another point is 2 and 4. So 2 on the x-axis, see, this is the 2 on the x-axis. So we are going from 2 and how much we are going up to get 4. So here is I get 4. So I am plot point here 2 and 4. Are you understand how can I plot? See, the x-axis 2. So I am kept the cursor or pointer on x-axis and you just start your journey up to 4. You get 4. Your journey is completed when you get 4. So here is your journey is completed. So you are plot their point and that is 2 and 4. Okay my students. Then another point is there 3 and 4. So there is another point is 3 and 3. So this is the x-axis 3. So I remain on x-axis 3. Where I want to go? I want to go on y-axis 3. So I am going y-axis 3. So here is the y-axis 3. Such a way. Here is I get 3 points. So here I pointed point 3 and 3. That point is plotted there. Then another point is there 4 and 2. So this is the x-axis 4. Okay, this is x-axis 4. I just go where on y-axis 2. So here is I reach at y-axis 2. So here is I get the point 4 and 2. So this is equation x plus y is equal to 6. So when you plot a point, see this is 1 point, this is second point, this is third point, and this is 4 point. So all the 4 points you are plotted, then you have take a scale and with help of scale you draw such a line. See, such a way I am drawing line with help of scale. You can draw this line such a way. Okay, and on this line you write equation. See, here is write equation x plus y is equal to 6. That equation is written. So are you understand how can I plot a point and how can I draw a line? And there is I write the equation on this line. Then another equation is there also, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. The first value of this 0 and minus 4. So 0 on x-axis. So 0 and minus 4 on which axis? Y-axis. So this is upward direction positive y-axis, downward direction negative. So I want to minus 4. So my journey start from 0 and I am stop at y-axis. Where is I get minus 4. So here is I get minus 4. So I am stop here minus 4. So here is I get the point 0 and minus 4. Are you understand my students? Because the first point I want to plot is 0 and minus 4. So all of you know 0 on x-axis means that is having in a origin of x-axis and you are just finding the minus 4. So minus 4 on y-axis, that is the downward direction. So here is I am just start my journey from 0 and I am stop at minus 4. So 0 and minus 4. That first point is plotted. Second point is 1 and minus 3. So this is the x-axis 1. I am kept the cursor there. See on a screen that is indicated by the red dot. You look like the red dot. So this is the cursor 1. So x-axis 1. So I kept that point on 1 and just start up to where I stop when I get minus 3. So I'm just start my journey from 1 and when I get minus 3 I stop here. Okay, so here is I get minus 3, so I stop here. So here is I get the point 1 and minus 3. Is that clear? So this is the second point. Then third point I want to find out 4. So 4 on x-axis. So this is the 4 on x-axis. So here is 4. So I plot a point here. and y-axis 0, so that is right in a origin. Okay, y-axis 0, that is at origin. So where is number x instead of 0, where is number instead of 0, there you plot a point. So see 0 on y-axis, so 0 on y-axis is written, and x-axis 4, so here is 4, that is not a 0, 4, so I plot a point on the x-axis 4. So this is the third point, 4 and 0, and the last point is 5 and 1. So x-axis 5, so I kept my pointer on 5 and just I start my journey to get 1. So see, I get 1, so here is 5 and 1. Such a way I plot point. How many point I plot? See, the first point is 0 minus 4, second is 1 and minus 3, third is 4 and 0, and fourth is 5 and 1. So all these points can be drawn by the straight line with help of scale. Such a way, draw by the straight line with help of scale. So when I draw this line with help of scale, so I write the equation on this line. So that is x minus y is equal to 4. That is the equation right on a line. So here is the equation x plus y is equal to 6 and equation x minus y is equal to 4. So that equation, they are intersect here. So that intersection point is 5 and 1. So here is that intersection point is intersect here. So intersection point is 5 and 1. So that is you get 5 and 1. So you are get the answer x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1, because they are intersect. Two equations are intersect in single point. So when they are intersect, the intersection point on x-axis is 5 and intersection point on y-axis is 1. So you get the value x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1, and that answer is written here. X value is 5 and y value is 1. So answer is given, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1. So whatever I taught, whether you understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So I am given to you homework. I hope that all of my students will understand what I taught to you. So you must be solve this homework. So when you are solve your homework, you send your homework towards me, and if you like what I taught to you, you subscribe this channel. Stay home, stay safe and study hard, because you are at 10 standard. Remember my students, goodbye.